Okay, so we've used our crucible, and now it's time to clean it. We should always leave our equipment as clean, if not cleaner, than we found it. So when we open this up, we need to make sure we clean the bottom of the lid and the inside here. So normally for labs, we'll have something labeled the waste beaker sitting around at each station, right? So we need to use this to clean our crucible. So to begin with, nothing but high quality films here. All we really need to do is just scrape this, and this might be in some other container if you had it, but just scrape what's in here as much as you can into the beaker. Be careful with that. We don't want to break everything, and we don't want to break the crucible or the beaker here. So, okay, that looks good. And then we are going to, we're just going to use water. So we don't really use these for a ton of different things, and this probably isn't the approved way in like a college classroom here, depending on what you're using. But we're going to clean it this way. We're just going to add a little bit of water here. Make sure this is cool before you try this. Do not add this water to a hot crucible. But we're going to add a little water to that, kind of let it swish around a little bit. And then we're just going to take dry it out. Dry this off, and we're good to go. All right, so you're not going to get that perfectly clean on the inside, but we're going to put some water in there, and we're going to wipe it out, and that's going to work for us. Don't forget, get a little water. The bottom of this cap is going to be dirty as well. Okay, there we go. Clean crucible.